The definition of multi-vendor is where we have components sourced from different suppliers that are the same form, fit and function and deemed interchangeable in a bill of material. So let's say you have 3 SSDs from 3 different suppliers. We have the flexibility to use all 3 drives in the manufacturing of that one product. Today, our data structures and system capabilities are driving a misalignment in the market shares that are defined for any given product supplier combination. The current adherence to market shares in the range of 5 to 31%, which not only impacts our supply base but has a financial impact on HPE. In the last year, we've seen lost opportunity of $4.4 million worth of material spend savings, as well as an additional $2.4 million worth of E&O exposure. With our current structures, we see data disconnects across our systems, which impacts the supply availability at our sites and ultimately impacts the customer order cycle time. There's a huge amount of manual processes across many teams that are in place to try and mitigate the impact of this. The multi-vendor project is a great opportunity for us to improve our processes, simplify the daily activities for our teams, as well as driving a positive outcome for our customers.
The objectives of multi-vendor projects are: number 1, design end-to-end seamless process, procedures, and data flows. Number 2, improve the alignment across HPE and RSP's ERP systems for streamlined purchasing and market share adherences. Number 3, reduce the shortcuts associated with the multi-vendor SKU. Number 4, decrease the excess and obsolescence contribution from multi-vendor raw drives. And number 5, increase the savings attributed to material spent for multi-vendor SKUs. Doing all those things will create multiple benefits, and from fulfillment perspective, I highlight the improvement of the ability of drives, reducing the time to fulfill order, which translates into customer satisfaction.
The current scope for the multi-vendor project is all drives, SSD and HDD within the storage and compute BUs. We will be implementing the project deliverable within our external manufacturing sites and in EMAP in Singapore. The project started to chart a course on how to make positive impact to our current state processes. We have made improvements to our market share alignments within our multi-vendor SKUs at our manufacturing site BOMs. We have also increased the usage and visibility of alternate parts within the multi-vendor processes. An indication of this is the increase in our clear-to-build metrics. The second phase of the project resides in making transformational changes to the way we will be managing our multi-vendor portfolio in the near future. We are testing and validating the design change for the multi-vendor BOMs within our manufacturing sites. We want to simplify this design and move the process to plan, procure, stock, and consume material at a supplier-agnostic part number level. We have been testing this model at our manufacturing sites and have been seeing initial success with the design implementation.
The multi-vendor project has different layers of complexity, not only because it's a cross-functional project and requires collaboration from multiple teams, but also because we have different bonus structures across BUs and products. Despite all these complexities, the team came up with a solution that fits the majority of our products. There is one particular product family that requires some adjustments to overcome technical challenges and dependencies. Today, we are testing our solution with physical pilots across all RSPs. Some of them have been completed and some of them will be by March. As part of the next steps, the team is working on some challenges found during the pilots, streamline the go-live strategy and implementation plan. Remember, for more information regarding the multi-vendor project, please follow us in our SharePoint site and Slack channel.